Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I mix my leftovers what do you go body wash, because I tend to have too many body washes and they're taking more space in my bathroom. So I wanted to, you know, use this bowl to actually you know put all of my body washes in here and then mix them together, and then I can use it in this bowl and then wash with it instead of having so many um you know so many of these bottles taking up my bathroom. So today I'm bringing you along with me like I always do. You guys know how I do, but like I said, this anyone can do it. This is just something that I came up with. I mean, it might not be for everyone's liking or taste, which is fine. It's okay. But I feel like it will save me more space and whatever. Once I dip in my sapo, a rag, or whatsoever, scrubbies, and so on and so forth. So while this is coming out, let me try to use, okay, so now I'm gonna use my Olay. They are all body washes, guys. If you're gonna use it for the same purpose, it really shouldn't matter what it is, as long as you're getting the same, you know the same purpose of it. It's going on in the same body, yo. That's all. So I'm gonna take again this Caress, and this one, this is the Daily Silk, and then this is the Pure Embrace. So I'm gonna put some of this in here. Smells so good. And here we go with this one, y'all. Okay, this I got it from, what do you call it? Ross. This cost me $5.99. Okay, this is the Beauty Soap Company. It says argan oil, African black soap for hair, face, and body, infused with essential oils and charcoal, cleanses and smooths and nourishes. Okay, so I'm gonna add some into this mixture, and then yeah, we're gonna do our thing. Okay, mess. Anything with charcoal we need in our system, y'all. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix all of this. Look at that, y'all. It's like you having all of this. You can do this with your African soap. You can do it with Dove soap, what's the name soap, any soap, basically. See that? So I'm gonna empty these in here more. And then this is it. And yes guys, so this is how everything is looking like, the mixture and everything. I think that came out really good. So all you have to do, you just take your rag. I'm just doing a demo. Just take your rag. You know, it's giving you the same, you know what I mean, the same work as if you have this in there in a liquid form. But the purpose of this is trying to get rid of all of that and put it. So I might end up making a big bowl of this and then trying to eliminate all of that. Okay? Yeah. What do you think? Yeah, you can do that with any of your soaps. Your bar soap, you grate your soap. If you want to see that down, if you want me to do that, let me know. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see something like that done. Okay guys, so that is it, y'all. And then I have my cover, and then I will cover this up when I'm done, and basically that is it. So what do you guys think of this idea? And now yeah, is this something that you would do? Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.